Hi, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be a core vocabulary in action video, and the core vocabulary word that we're going to be targeting today is sad. Sad is an adjective, and sad means when we are feeling or showing unhappiness or sorrow. Now let's find our word sad on some of the different AAC systems that you might be using. On Word Power 60 Basic from Satillo on the TouchStat app, sad.
Sad.
On Lamp Words for Life, the 84 full version of the vocabulary from PRC, sad.
Sad.
On Snap Core First, the 63 grid from Toby Dynavox, sad.
Sad.
Now let's use our word sad for some different functions of communication. I could state my opinion and say rainy weather makes me feel sad. I could use my word to comment and say he is crying. I think he's sad. I could use my word to express my feelings and say I feel sad. I could use my word to relay past and future events and say lots of people at the funeral were sad. I could use my word to ask a question and say, did that video make anyone feel sad? I could use my word to reject and say, I'm not sad anymore. I could use my word to answer a question and say, the three little bears in our story, they were sad. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did like it and you would like to see more videos like this, please check out my core vocabulary in action playlist. And if you haven't already, it would mean the world to me if you would subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.